Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Medicaid eligibility steps with Medicaid.gov step by step clearly. Visit your web browser and go to Medicaid.gov. On the home page, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type Medicaid eligibility into the search bar and press enter. Look for the option that says find out if you qualify for Medicaid. Click on that link to proceed. You will be directed to a page with information about eligibility criteria. Take a moment to read the provided details to understand what factors are considered. Scroll down to find a button labeled Get Started or See If I Qualify. Click on the button to begin the eligibility verification process. You may be required to enter your state of residence. Select your state from the provided drop-down menu. After selecting your state, review any specific eligibility requirements. Next, you will encounter questions regarding your household size. Provide accurate information about the number of people living in your household. Then, you will need to report your total household income. Be prepared to input documentation related to your income if prompted. Once you have completed the questions, review your answers for accuracy. After confirming your responses, submit your information. You may receive immediate feedback about your eligibility. If additional steps are required, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. If needed, you can return to the home page for further resources and assistance. Keep in mind that eligibility results can vary based on state regulations. Contact your local Medicaid office for further clarification if necessary. Ensure you save any confirmation numbers you receive for your records. This process allows you to verify your eligibility for Medicaid efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.